Hello, this is Harvey Braden with Harvey Roofing Construction. I'm in Irving, Texas, where we wrapped up a remodel of a orthodontist office, and it was a mad dash. We had just over a week to complete all the details so they could be reopened for Monday morning, and we're back doing just a few punch details. And I just want to do a quick walkthrough and show you the finish. Have a prior video that showed some of the work in progress, but I wanted to walk through the finishing details. Let me see if I can flip this camera. There we go. So this front door originally was stained, and it had dividers in all of the glass. So we were able to remove those dividers, and we finished this in Sherwin-Williams iron ore. Lot more inviting look about it. Also with the matte black door hardware, used to have some old brass stuff. Took out a old stained glass window that was here and finished out that wall. There was also a door when you walked in this entryway to go to this next area. So there was basically a door that was just open all the time that served no purpose. So all new trim. This used to be wallpaper, so it's all old popcorn ceilings are gone. Everything is bright and airy. In the reception area here, we refinished the ceiling to get rid of the old popcorn, all new lighting, new fan. The wallpaper and that details all kind of stayed the same. Looks great in here, but the ceiling definitely looks nice and clean now, much brighter lighting. We completely redid the there was a glass sliding window here. That's gone. Got the new quartz on the countertop, and just kind of welcoming window for folks. And then this had a door. It was like a half glass side light and a door. And so here again, we got that opened up, all trimmed out. Quartz countertops throughout. There was old Formica in here, and it had a big overhang on it. So now everything looks just real sleek, real modern. All new lighting, everything in here, all lights were replaced. The back accent wall turned out great. The owner came up with that concept, and turned out really great. We've got he's got a sign coming that'll be on that wall that's gonna be really sharp. Some new LED pendant lights. And this room changed really dramatically. There was a lot of demolition that happened in here. There was a huge built-in cabinetry here. There was an island sink that used to sit beside this chair. They've got some new padded upholstery coming from the manufacturer of that chair company that's gonna be coming in. They're gonna swap out. It's gonna be that finishing touch in here. But there was also a corner cabinet here with a sink. I mean, this room just had a lot going on. Now it's just open airy. This is where they do consults for new patients. And then the bathroom had an old, like, builder's grade, light stain color cabinetry in here. And so got the new freestanding vanity looking sharp. We refinished these window sills, had the old, just kind of degrading wood from condensation and stuff. So we refinished those, painted them. So everything looks just real nice, clean, bright, and shiny. These teeth washing stations were all redone, so it's all new vanities, new sinks, new mirrors, new lights. Just really opened it up, made it feel a lot more inviting. And then this is a room that used to have a door there. So we took the door out and just finished the jam out so that it just is a cased opening now, and that way it's just wide open. You don't have any there was a door, so it was just open all the time. There's quite a few of those in this building, and so it's a lot nicer now. We also refinished this old built-in that was here. It's basically kind of like a toy box. This room is meant to be for younger kids when they're waiting for their parent. They can be right off of the treatment area here, and that wallpaper is original. We only refinished the ceiling and did new lights and new baseboards, new trim. and then dealt with the door here. Those original side lights had the dividers in the glass, and they look so much better now, open and airy like that. And then all new baseboards, all the drywall refinished. This was all wallpaper, so we now got finished drywall and a very light orange peel texture to give it a nice smooth look. But baseboards, the islands were replaced here. We did new cabinets, new sinks, new faucets, and then all new lighting. So it's got some good direct lighting for the treatment chairs, and everything's just real. Those windows used to have some stained window stools in them, and that was just kind of a modern touch we gave it with the rounded edges around all the windows. So we're just buttoning up a few details today, and that will have it all fixed up for the long haul, with everybody coming in, existing patients that are walking in and being surprised with the new fresh look. And everybody seems really happy and excited about all the changes that were made, and we really appreciate this client allowing us to serve them. And we are on to the next projects. So thanks for watching. Harvey Roofing and Construction. This was a really fun remodeling project that we got done in a very short time so that they could reopen the practice, and everything went wonderful, and we would greatly appreciate having the opportunity to